I would absolutely take the vaccine based on my review of the data. I was listening to the FDA's advisory committee, and I've seen the data. And yes, I would take this vaccine. It is safe. I want to add here that this was a speedy process as far as reviewing, but the process has been collapsed. FDA took no shortcuts in getting this to this point.
There are a number of issues with regards to rollout. Number one, will everybody who wants it be able to get it? Number two, what about the people who don't want to get it? Because, of course, there are a number of anti-vaxxers out there. What percentage of the population does need to be vaccinated then, Norman, for herd immunity to be able to be reached?
For this vaccine, we really need to be up in the 70s or so, 70, 75%, to really get enough individuals immunized for herd immunity. So it's going to take a while. I mean, it's a limited amount of vaccine available right now, but the companies are gearing up. And also keep in mind that we're going to have other vaccine manufacturers online soon. Moderna has an advisory committee with the FDA next week on the December 17th. And so I'm optimistic that vaccine will also be granted emergency use authorization, and that will be additional doses rolling out, if not at the end of the year, early next year.
And Norman, you said it yourself there when you said the FDA would have taken, quote, no shortcuts in approving the Pfizer vaccine. And that is really reassuring to hear, probably especially in the markets. But it certainly didn't go unnoticed that there was a lot of political pressure on this. And you must have experienced this in your time at the FDA. How does the agency continue to operate effectively when political pressure is applied?
Well, the FDA, it's independent. And so the FDA is independent, even though it's part of the executive branch. It's important for the FDA to make sure that it does its review independently. And you get a lot of chatter. You may get a lot of chatter from the political wing, but the FDA is composed of career scientists and clinicians. And they know how to do this. This is not their first time doing this. We've handled emergencies when I was there. We handled emergencies before I was there, and we'll continue to handle emergencies beyond this administration. So the staffers, they know how to take care of this and focus on the science. That's the key.